Okay, there we go. Oh, looks like it's working. Cool. So it's been a long time since I've had the time to do Spark PR reviews. And so we're going to take a look at some Spark PRs today. Let's go ahead and do that. Okay, so first things first, github.com. Oh right, I also want to bring up YouTube just in case anyone joins us. That looks fine, that looks fine. Okay. Okay. Switch to terminal view. Well, terminal screen view. And I think we're okay work-wise for a little bit, so I can close my work laptop. Plug it in so it's got energy for the morning. Okay, cool. Interesting. Oh, pod memory limits, yeah. Okay. The other one that I want to look for is if we've got any particularly interesting Python PRs coming up. Oh, I mean, that's interesting. I don't. Although they're all failing. Interesting. Oh, well, that makes sense. Oh, that actually would be kind of useful. Oh, yeah, and that could be kind of cool too. Okay, whatever. That's a bunch of PRs. That's probably a lot. Oh, yeah, I will definitely try that, Ragva. So the first PR that we're going to look at today is updating the HLL, which is HyperLogLog. And HyperLogLog is an approximation algorithm for counting the number of distinct elements. So that's super useful because counting all of the distinct elements is actually surprisingly expensive with distributed computing. And so it looks like right now that there's a null pointer exception when things go wrong, and this PR raises an exception instead of just having this null pointer error. I like this. Okay, so we're going to go open the code view, and that's going to be kind of just what we look at. Requires a foldable. Okay. So this is a new exception, and we auto-generate a bunch of exceptions from this JSON value. Sorry, a bunch of classes from this JSON file, I think. So here we go. This is a trait, expects foldable input types trait that checks to make sure that the inputs are foldable. And this overrides the check input data. And on success, it does an additional check, and on failure, it just immediately short circuits to failure. Seems reasonable. Okay. So binary like with expects input types and foldable. Okay. Overrides for, oh yeah, this is the input types. So these are the types that we can give into this, and so we can give it a type collection. I think this is the return type, maybe. Input is foldable. Okay, let's take a look at what input is foldable is used for here. So inside of this object, we zip it with this, zip with index, and then we find the first one where input is foldable is not equal to sum of expected. And so this implicitly, okay. Yeah. So I'm gonna say here, yeah. Okay. Okay. This explanation is good enough about what it's doing here. I think we could yeah. Yeah. I can't. Okay. So we're gonna actually go here. I want to go ahead and look at this error classes.json. Error classes.json foldable. Okay. Okay, let's go take a look at expression.scala. Yes, watch those files. Okay. Let's go take a look at the constant folding. Sweet, sure. Okay. Whatever. Yeah. I think non-foldable might be enough. I can't think of a case where we would not want to allow a foldable input. This could also simplify the code a little bit in the checker. Since sequence option rule should become okay. Yeah, and I think it would also be easier to read to me. Yeah. I know it's a little bike sheddy, so feel free to disregard. But, I have a small preference towards require foldable inputs or something, since as it stands, it sounds like this function is returning if the inputs are foldable rather than the desired state. Rather than the required state. Okay. Cool. Like it. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Interesting. So, let's go ahead and try and find some examples of check error. Okay. This looks like an example. Hive UDAF suite check error. Yeah, okay. The Hive uses it pretty extensively, and that would do that would simplify that pattern a little bit for testing. Okay, finish review. Overall, LGTM provided the existing points raised by others are addressed. Cool. So that's like a kind of fuzzy LGTM, but like I think this is good. I think, you know, improving error messages is super important. So that's great. I'm excited. I think that'll be good. Let's take a look at reuse config map for executor running on Kate's cluster mode. Okay. Okay. Let's see here. Let's go ahead. We can hit request on June. Oh, God, look at files change. Okay. Huh. Interesting. I don't know. I'm not sure if we always want to read. Well, I guess this is a Boolean, right? This is internal. Huh. I don't know. We're going to skip this one because there seems to be some questions for Dongjun, but we flagged it for him and hopefully he can take a look. Okay, it sounds like we're not doing this just yet. Oh, actually, maybe it was just rebased right now. Force conflicts, server-side apply. I don't know what that's doing. What does force conflicts do? Okay. Server-side apply. Okay. Okay. So we only specify, in theory, the elements that we care about. I mean, this looks reasonable to me. Let's keep reading, though. Server-side apply versus create or replace. I mean, this looks reasonable to me. I don't... Nothing here says, like, no to me. So this looks reasonable. Okay. Yeah, oh, here we go. Let's go take a look at the fabricate commit. We can... Wait, is this the same user? Oh, it is. Okay, cool. Looks reasonable to me. Pending dungeons. Okay. Wait. I thought we already had... oh, okay. Wait, we have this sort of with memory overhead. Wait, okay, let's go take a look at this. Oh. Wait, I'm... Okay. Yeah, I don't... Okay. So I don't think this PR makes sense. And so we need to, like, communicate that in such a way that leaves open the idea that, like, well, I don't think this PR makes sense. I probably don't have the same context as the person who wrote it does. So I want them to like kind of explain it to me a little bit. And if I just say like this doesn't make sense, you know, most people don't respond by explaining it super well. So we're gonna work on this a little bit. Words. Okay. So I'm okay. I think we already handle the situation of non-JVM usage through the memory overhead parameters. That meet your needs, or how is this configuration different from that? We could go with better words, but this is just, it's good enough. It's like, I think we've already got this thing handled in another way. But like, hey, let me know if I'm wrong. Okay, work in progress. We're going to skip work in progress PRs. Okay. Oh, okay. I mean, I like the Unix functions. This is all outdated, though. Oh, wait, what? Oh. Wait, this was merged. Oh, no, wait, no. Okay, this was mentioned in... yeah, okay, so it looks like there's another reviewer who's already got this, so I'm not going to get in their way. And another reviewer who's already got this. This one has no reviewers. Okay, cool. I mean, this is a new feature, so this looks reasonable to me. I'm gonna go ahead and say that this looks reasonable. I want to find, okay, the protocol buffer changing, the field name change. Okay, oof. Oh, tests. Okay. Damn, this is a lot bigger than I was sort of expecting. Wait, what? Oh, okay. Okay. Do we call this from somewhere else? This seems... Oh, okay, okay, I got you. I do appreciate... Yeah, okay. So what we're gonna say here is, yeah, I appreciate the cleanup of the duplicated code. Yeah. So I'm gonna say like, yeah, I think this makes sense to add the functionality to the Scala/Python APIs, since it's already there in the SQL API. That's just, I don't want to go through a big review, but like this overall looks pretty reasonable. And so this is the like, good job, right direction, but I'm not saying like, hell's yeah, merge it, because I spoons are low. And also, I want to go get coffee. It's just going to do a quick one here. Oh yeah, okay, actually. Wait, what? Huh. Wait. Yeah. Yeah. I think that makes sense as a unit test. Cool. Okay. So that's about it. It's 25 minutes. I was going for 30, but you know what? 25 is pretty good. I'm gonna go downstairs and grab some coffee, and we're gonna wrap it up a little bit early. But thanks for joining. Raghuva, thanks for chatting, especially. And